Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the MSI MEG Z590 ACE Gold Edition. So friend, MSI has released the MEG Z590 ACE Gold Edition motherboard, and friend, it will be comes with 24 karat gold leaf on various parts of the heat sinks. And friend, a special model MEG Z590 ACE Gold Edition has been added to MSI's high-end Intel Z590 motherboard, MEG Z590 ACE. And friend, color of the heatsink mounted on the power circuit, chipset, M.2 slot and audio circuit has been changed from black to platinum. And furthermore, as the product name of Gold Edition, 24 karat gold leaf is decorated at key points such a logo. And friends, there is no change in other basic functions. The memory slot is DDR4 5600x4, maximum 128 GB. The storage is set at 3.06 Gbps into 2, M.2 into 1, M.2 into 3, and expansion slots are PCI Express 4.0 into 16 into 2, PCI Express 3.0 into 4 into 16 phase into 1, and PCI Express 3.0 into 1 into 2. And friend, the network is a 2.5 gigabit LAN with Intel i225V and Intel Wi-Fi 6E AX210, and Thunderbolt 4 also has 2 ports. At this time, there is no sales announcement for the product in the domestic market. And the updated price for this motherboard is $629, and friend, it is available starting from 2nd July. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.